And then I said an expression which for me was Chinese
The first time.
since the age of maybe 12 or 4. You know what I feel? I feel I hate it. I said, I feel I hate you. I started studying, like, and I remember what is this sprach? Where's it coming from? And I started saying things. I know it's like a cut that was open, all the things. I was
Like a
like
tsunami.
10 minutes coming out and then saying, okay, got it. I know Torah's Emes, Shabbos, I know this, but I understand I have a Jewish brain and a Goyish heart.
Wow.
And as I said this, I cracked. Crying. Never till then and from then, I'm a tuna like this. 20 minutes of crying, understanding what's going on. My head is here, my body is here, my heart is on the street. Messed up. Started saying, Rebbeinu Shalom, please give me back my heart. I can't fix it. I can't. Give me back my Jewish heart. I can't fix it. I'm going to do everything you said because you said so. No conditions. I'm a soldier, I'm your soldier. Everything. Why? Because you said so. This is one thing. Please. I was crying for like 20 minutes.
I think every Frimme Yid needs such a 20 minutes.
It's a
in the
matuna.
Kodesh.
It's a matuna. It's a matuna.
So that was a pivotal moment.
I went out already understanding. Start emotional work. Start learning your emotions. Start understanding where you're messed up and stuck. Start learning. And from then till today.